Crypto billionaire 69 back with another in-depth technical analysis video on the overall market and Dogelon Mars. Before we get started, I want to check this crypto fear and greed index to see what we are sitting at today. Alright, we are sitting at a 34. Alright, we were in the 15s, the 16s, 17s, and 18s last week. So we are slowly getting back to the neutrality. A neutral sentiment in the market, which means a reversal is imminent. Because once it gets into this green, that means we are moving higher. People are getting greedy. If you have been in the Patreon, I would have been showing you guys all of my buy and sell alerts in order to get in at the best prices around those 16 levels in the extreme fear level. So overall, Bitcoin is looking pretty healthy. We are sitting around the $48,000 level. Right under $50,000. I don't know what's going on with CoinMarketCap, but it is being quite weird today. I'm going to go ahead and search up Elon so we can get straight into the technical analysis. In depth, baby. 21.66%. This is just the start, my friends. We are back up to an $873 million market cap. We're not even at a $1 billion market cap yet. But look at this, everything is literally happening just like we said it was going to happen. So if you have been averaging in this whole time, like I have been saying, you will be up at least 21%. This is just today. Yesterday it was another 15, 20%. You'd be up around 50 to 60% right now. So congratulations to all of you in the Patreon following the buy and sell alerts. You guys are making absolute bank right now, bread. But HODL, because this is just the start. We are literally just getting started in this whole run. So these are the levels we need to watch in order to continue to the upside. And we are currently breaking through the 17s at this moment. This is going to be almost like a live technical analysis. And on the daily candles, this is our support or our next resistance. We need to watch these 17 levels here, these 1740 levels. These are extremely important for us to break through. I'm going to get super in-depth for you guys. We're going to drop down to the 5-minute charts just to see. So we have seen institutional buying power. We're going to break through the 1740. We just did. All right. How do I know we're going to break through? Look at this. Look at this volume compared to the previous resistances. So what we want to watch for is a move higher we want to watch up into the 1780 level, alright? And then we want to watch it come back down and test this 1740 level, creating a new support on the 1740s, moving higher. So my beautiful friends, this was a healthy retracement. If you look at this overall move, then it came back down and retraced to around this 0.236, which is super healthy. It's super healthy. Now what we're seeing here, if it starts to retrace here, we want to see it retrace back down to the 1638. Move higher after that, creating a strong support, which is most likely what's going to happen. However, we could go back down, retrace back down this 1580 level, 0.5, before making our next leg higher. This is the 5-minute charts. These are for day traders, and these are for people who want to trade very high frequency. So let's go to the 4-hourly charts, see what we're looking at here. All right, we have absolutely exploded to the upside. I've told you guys in the Patreon, whenever this happens, whenever we are starting this run, whenever the run happens, it is going to be a very quick run. It's going to happen within a day to 4 days. We're going to spike around 500%, and we want to be ready to take those profits, all right? So if you have work and you seriously cannot watch these charts, you need to consider joining the Patreon. Because I notify you guys on the best times to buy and sell, which will literally save your ass when we are in an extreme bull market. It will make you so much more money than if you were just to buy and hold. All right. Right now, let's look at this overall. The overall level for this entire move. We have broken. Oh my, look at this. Beautiful. We've broken through the 0.5 with volume, and we absolutely destroyed this 0.382 level, okay? What we want to see next is another candle just as big as this one moving to the upside from this point. So we want to come up and test these 20 levels, all right? Dogelon Mars is about to start pumping hard. It's about to show a huge move to the upside. So if you have not averaged in yet, you need to consider it, because we are about to go to Mars. I've been telling you guys this for weeks on end. Weeks and weeks and weeks on end. Now, it might not happen this week. It might happen the next week, but that is completely fine. We could see a little spike like this, then a nice retracement to allow all the stragglers to get in before our next move higher. But this is what I am very happy to see. All right. You see the volume tapering down. This is when Bitcoin was absolutely in the gutter. It was holding a strong support around these 10s, okay? Triple bottom, 1, 2, 3 around the 10s. Now we are seeing the volume thicken up, and we are seeing major moves to the upside. This indicates all of the sellers are out of this coin, so we are ready for this next move to the upside. How do I know all the sellers are out of this coin? Because it stayed around these 10 levels. It tested it 3 times and consolidated around these 10 levels for a week. For 2 weeks, it consolidated. And that is beautiful. That's beautiful because it shows 3 weeks. It came down and tested these 10 levels and retraced. And then in the beginning, it also did that. And we have seen a massive move to the outside. This is the weekly candles, and our week is, we have a few more days left, but we want to close above the 1740 level on the weekly candle, which will indicate us moving higher. I'm so happy for all of you guys that have been following this channel, because you are making so much money right now, along with me. So guys, we're just here to make money on these freaking charts, because holy, we haven't started this move yet. We're still very early, but if you have been following along, you'll be in major profits right now. But you do not want to, this is not financial advice, consider not selling, because you are going to make much more money if you just hold. Now, you do definitely want to sell once it spikes a very good amount, which I'll show you guys how to indicate when to start taking profits when the time comes. If you want to learn all of this on your own time, you can learn it today if you wanted to. You could watch all the videos. Check out my course. It is still 50% off, Christmas special. It will teach you everything I learned from being a broke 18-year-old kid working at McDonald's and another job, like a restaurant, to making 5 figures a month trading cryptocurrency. If you want to learn how I did it, go check it out. I'll teach you all the techniques, and you're going to make so much money, all right? Even if you don't get the course, follow this channel. You're going to make a lot of money. But if you want to learn how to take advantage of not only this coin, but every other coin in the market, then go check out that course for real, guys. It is worth your time. It is worth checking out. And it will change your perspective on trading forever. It will teach you the techniques needed in order to make this a full-time income. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful, the day and age we live, where all you need is a phone to make a living. And I'm so happy that we are all together. Bandit, anyways, enough with the sentimental stuff. We need to watch these 1740 levels. We need to break through it within this weekly candle, okay? Within the next few days, we could see a very minor retracement back down. However, I personally do not think that is going to happen. simply because the sellers have started selling out. If we do see a retracement, we will see a retracement down to these 1356 levels on the daily candles, okay? That is normal. That is very normal. That's a 50%. If you were on the 3-day candles, this would be a 50% retracement, getting ready to load up and push higher to the upside. So right now, if you have not averaged in, I feel very bad for you, because I've been telling you guys to average in along these 10s for very, very long now, because we have been consolidating for a week, and it has been so beautiful. And it is absolutely crazy to me how whenever the markets are down, people get so scared, and they start questioning whether they made the right decision. And yes, my friends, you guys are making the right decision. Putting your money in at a low. That is what you want to do. Whenever nobody else is buying, whenever they think it's going to keep dropping and dropping and dropping, that is when you want to start averaging in. This is not financial advice. This is not, this is simply my opinion, okay? But this is what I have done in order to change my life forever. My friends. Crypto billionaire 69. In-depth technical analysis. We are heading up here. We're heading to the 21s now. 2158. These 17s approached us. If you check the last video, I literally told you guys the 17s, we're heading to them. Like, there's no doubt about it. And we hit it today. And now we're heading to these 21s. However, we could see a little retracement just to scare out the weak-handed people, which is completely fine. But what we do want to see, excuse my yawning, is they push higher to these 21s. Breakthrough, creating new support. Okay, once we push up here, we will most likely see some selling pressure, which is normal. It will allow those of you stragglers who haven't been listening to me to get back in around these 1643 levels, okay? And that is going to be your last chance before we make our exponential move to the upside. Those of you who have been averaging in this whole time, you will be making so much money right now. Congratulations, early Christmas present from Crypto Billionaire 69. This is the least I can do, and we have so much more to go. We're up 30% just today, guys. This is gonna be a beautiful run, and I'm very excited. I just saw 69. Hit that subscribe button for daily in-depth technical analysis videos. And for real, guys, we're gonna make major gains in the coming weeks. So HODL strong. I have showed you guys I've showed you guys already the levels we need to watch up here in some previous videos. And I showed you guys how to do it. So I'm not going to show you again, because that is premium course material. But let me give you guys a little, we need to watch around these 37s once we break out. Now, I'm not going to show you how I know that, but I'm going to show you that I know that. We need to watch around these 37s. Because once we come up, that is a major point of resistance. Alright, now we have nothing to the left. Just based on simple mathematical equations, this is going to be a major point when we get here. And I will explain to you guys when we get here what we need to look for. But let me tell you, it has to do with a perfect combination of news and market sentiment. Okay? Now, there's certain criteria we need to meet in order to continue adding to our bags once we get here, and once we retrace after we hit this resistance level. However, that is for the future, my friends. We are literally on plan. I've been telling you guys this for weeks. For real, I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I'm happy that I'm able to do this for you guys. I want to thank you for allowing me to just put my stuff out there. I mean, this channel literally started out as a meme. But it started out just for me to track my own trades, because it makes it easier for me to log my own trades and make a lot more money trading and then going back and looking at my trades, so I can see what I did right, what I can improve on, okay? And yeah, I mean, I'm always learning. I really am. But the biggest thing is that the emotional cycles are the most important thing in this market. You can literally Technical analysis is very important in order for averaging in at the best price. However, these emotional cycles are what keeps the retail traders flowing, what keeps the retail traders coming in, the institutions accumulating. This whole time, institutions were adding so much money, and retail traders were buying and selling, but institutions were accumulating this whole time. Now they have started to hit the absolute gas because they want these retail traders that sold down here for a loss after they bought here and bought here. They want those retail traders to get back in. Okay, this is a lot of information. This is course information. Go check it out. Links in the description. Crypto Billionaire 69. I love you guys. I love you guys. I'm going to go have a beautiful day because it's beautiful outside. So yeah, have a beautiful day, my friends. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.